Did you know that you have a neuroendocrine organ in your body that's not even human? Hi, it's Dr. Anna Tucker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I'm not talking about aliens. I'm actually talking about poop. What I'm truly describing is the microbiome. This is the layer of organisms that coats your body from the inside, from your lips all the way to your hiney. If you think of the digestive tract, sort of like this tube, what lives within, I know it looks like food going in and poop coming out, but what lives within this tube controls both your physical and your mental health. It is constantly talking to your brain by virtue of neurotransmitters. It can control your behavior. We consider the microbiome the master switch of your neuroendocrine system in what's called the gut brain axis. It's forever changing, and you can train it by controlling your environment, what you eat, what you drink, what you avoid doing. And if you want to learn more about that, you can find that information and more in my program, Gut Check. But we also have free resources online. Go to drannatoker.com and check out the website and learn more. If you learned something from that video, make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, leave comments, share it with friends, and then, of course, hit the notification button because you can never get too much of your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon.